Today I will discuss about direct and inverse variation. Suppose 3 pencils cost Rs 12, then 6 pencils will cost rupees 24. Clearly, more pencils will cost more. If 3 men can do a piece of work in 8 hours, then a man alone can do it in 24 hours. Thus, law less men at work, more will be time taken to finish it. Thus, change in one quantity brings out a change in other. Now, variation. If two quantities depend on each other in such a way that the change in one results in a corresponding change in the other, then the two quantities are said to be in variation. Direct variation. Two quantities x and y are said to be in direct variation if whenever the value of x increases or decreases, then the value of y increases or decreases in such a way that the ratio x by y remains constant. Thus, x and y are in direct variation if x by y equal to k, where k is a constant term. That is, x1 by y1 equal to x2 by y2 equal to x3 by y3 equal to dot dot equal to k. Now, examples. More articles will cost more. More is the money deposited in a bank, more is the interest earned in a fixed period. More is the distance covered by a car. More is the petrol consumed by it. These are the examples of direct variations. Now, worksheet 1, page 54. Solve question number 1. Fill in the missing terms in the following tables if x and y vary directly. Here, x and y vary directly. So 6 by 18 equal to 8 by y1. Now 6 1 j 6, 6 3 j 18. Therefore y1 equal to 3 into 8, that is 24. Similarly 6 by 18 equal to 12 by y2. 6 1 j 6, 6 3 j 18. Now therefore y2 equal to 3 into 12, that is 36. Similarly, 6 by 18 equal to x1 by 63. 6 1 j 6, 6 3 j 18. So 3x1 equal to 63. Therefore, x1 equal to 63 by 3, that is 21. Now, question number 2. Two bags of rice weigh 150 kg. How many such bags of rice will weigh 900 kg? Solution. Let the required number of bags be x. Question say.
Solutions.
Let the required number of bags be x. Then we have made a table, number of bags and weight in kg. If number of bags 5, then their weight is 150. Number of bags is x, then their weight is 900 kg. Clearly, the number of bags of rice is increased, then their weight also increased. So it is the case of direct variation. So 5 by 150 equal to x by 900. Now 100 by cross multiplication, 150 into x equal to 5 into 900, or x equal to 5 into 900 by 150. 156j 900, 56j 30. Therefore x equal to 30. The required number of bags of rice is 30. That means hence 30 bags of rice weight equal to 900 kg. The total cost, question number 11. The total cost of 15 newspapers is rupees 22 rupees 50 paise. Find the cost of 25 newspapers. Let the cost of 25 newspapers be rupees x, then number of newspapers 15 and their cost in rupees 22.50. Number of newspapers equal to 25, then their cost is x rupees. Clearly the number of newspapers is increased or decreased, then their cost also increased or decreased. So it is the case of direct variation. Therefore x by y equal to k. So 15 by 22.5 equal to 25 by x. By cross multiplication, 15 into x, 15 multiply x equal to 25 multiply 22.5. Therefore x equal to 25 multiply 22.5 by 15. 5 3 j 15, 5 5 j 25. Again 22.5 divided by 3, you will get 7.5. Therefore x equal to 5 multiply 7.5, you will get 37.50. Hence the cost of 25 newspapers is rupees 37 rupees 50 paise. Thank you. Have a nice